This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can adjust the camera gimbal position in this drone. So at the start you will need to open the camera view or the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, hit those three buttons to launch settings, then select the gimbal category, and here you can begin by changing the gimbal forward down position. So tap here to move it to the most bottom position, or tap it once to raise it all the way up as it can. Then you can also tap adjust gimbal, so this menu opens that allows you to change the gimbal roll, as well as the gimbal yaw. Then do not forget to hit the done button to confirm the changes, and well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.